Like, what can I really not know sometimes? But what can I not know?
Hey guys, welcome to Marla's World, and today we will be doing
A mukbang, yeah.
mukbang. And also, who knows me better? That way you guys can get to know me a little bit more and see which one of my siblings know me more.
Or who can disappoint her the most
I
on
hope-
the first
I
day
hope-
of
I
channel.
don't really think they know me like that. So on today's menu, we will be having
We have some oxtail with steamed veggie and what, rice and peas. Yeah, man. So good.
I have, this is messy. I have curry goat with rice and peas. I don't like veggies.
Pepper steak with white rice, you know what I mean?
It's kind of boring, but
That's just like everybody just, you know.
I
everybody
want to
wants
try
it.
the steak. And we have,
some festival and
festivals.
plan, fry plan.
these are the biggest festivals I've ever seen.
You know, so we just did that,
These are the best.
yo.
These are really big. And we have plantains. I love plantains. And we have jerk chicken.
You know what I mean?
Let's hope it's not too spicy.
Yeah.
And have some supplement, you know, wash all of this
Me
down.
hope it
That
actually-
freezer in the fridge from last night because I know
You
so
know,
that
some,
the
you know,
video,
some
so.
of you know, some of them actually jerk it because most of the time I just
I
boil.
bake it.
You know, I just boil it. Man, tell us it cause.
Yeah, sometimes they don't really do it good, you know?
Why is that
And-
like it up?
But if you
But
got it,
I
if you
have-
got it
I
right,
have-
yes.
Homemade pineapple ginger juice. The last time I got it, I really liked it, so that's why I got it. Even though it's expensive, this thing
How much
was like $4.25 or something like that. It's pretty expensive.
Smart to them say, so we
Damn.
don't want to pay for the natural juice. Then I'm going to say,
Yeah, that's
No.
I said, we
expensive.
go buy 2 carrots and 2 beets and mix this up.
Yeah, it's mad expensive. And look, why they give you a big sweet pepper? Like, that's not a steak.
Like, who cut this, bruh? Yeah, man, we're gonna talk to them people. Yeah.
Take them out here and be like,
Let me
alright. And but this looks so good though.
This is good. Not even gonna lie.
Yeah, man.
It's fresh though. Like, I thought I was the only one who made fresh food. But
I'm gonna take off for you. Or vice versa.
I like this. But my favorite. This is really good. Not even gonna lie. The festival. It's amazing.
Sing, girl. Jefar, what one for your pepper steak beside the big piece of sweet pepper they give you?
So it's really pretty good.
I know.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to.
Want to try the festival? Me want mummy make so much stuff.
Yeah,
also,
make it-
I'm busy. I'm not make no festival. If you wanna do what I do.
Quick.
Oh, sorry.
Can I taste your pepper steak?
It's not bad.
Let's see. I want to try it for myself because I never had it.
So I'm gonna.
I mean, I feel like it's kind of stewedy with
I'm
pepper.
gonna-
Mummy make beef flavor, then I try to convince me. Say, I know it's still in that fridge. I'm like,
It's fresh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't. Yeah, it kind of is. Kind of what. You know?
Like everything I've had from them today is fresh.
it's full of flavor like wow.
Of course, oxtail. It's like.
If Axel don't have flavor, it's trash.
Seriously, you can't mess up oxtail.
You want
And
some?
if you do.
No, people can make good.
You know, but. Man, no, let me not talk about that.
Wow.
You read my mind enough.
You trying to talk trash about my oxtail? That was like my first attempt. Jefar, so shut up. Maybe it's because it's not
But
that
after
hot
that,
anymore.
it wasn't bad at all. Though, so you did, you know.
I redeemed myself.
That's something to say.
Good man.
Yeah, I actually
Let me
finished.
see.
Yeah, you know, some all my life, you know, some never see Marla finish a whole like box food by herself. Can today be the day?
Let me see why I like more. I like the festival more than anything. anything that I've had here.
I feel you. It's probably the second
Yeah,
best
I think
besides
so.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Man, but I love rice and gravy. I'm not even really care about meat sometimes, man. Just the rice and gravy. So about the questions.
Can one?
The questions. What are we doing now?
Give me a second, let me eat a little. I'm starving.
Right, honestly.
The oxtail is fire. Out of the meat, I'll have to go with the oxtail because it's not that fresh, but the goat is fresh, the steak is fresh. For sides, the festival, of course. And
But the problem
I
is
think
for me.
the festival is second best out there. When I tried the oxtail, and I tried that.
Pineapple juice.
It's weird that everything in a Marla plate is like an undertone for your main color, which I want. You get what I'm trying to say? Like everything. Like
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
What is it again?
Pineapple ginger. If you like ginger, that is amazing. Okay. So now we're gonna get into the questions. How it's gonna go is the first person to take up their cups, yeah, gets the answer. If they both do it at the same time, I guess they both get a point, right? Yeah.
If we'll get it right, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes
So
sense.
we'll see who gets the most points, who knows me better. I don't even know. Maybe Jefar is gonna win or Chrissy, but like I don't feel like they know me that well, and some of the questions were kind of hard. So we'll see.
Oh,
We'll
yeah,
see.
trying to sit with your face.
Like, what can I really not know sometimes? But what can I not know? If you know it now.
Because they're very specific. Because I feel like my life is like, you guys know me, but like the specifics, maybe not.
You're probably right.
Okay, because you guys know I like ice cream and such, but like, do you know what flavor I like? From where? Like, okay. So let's get into the questions. So the first question is, what is my biggest fear? Slimatic Nations asked me this question, and I'm gonna see if any one of them know. What is my biggest fear? They can't even take up the cup. You're
probably not being able to have a kid.
Did you see it?
No.
That's what I was thinking too.
No.
You get a point.
Let's come on, man. Let's go.
He got it?
Yes, I
Let's
look at it
go.
right
'Cause I'm just
here.
like, what has been in her mind so much lately?
I mean,
You know?
picture shit they have post for pop.
You know what I mean? So I'm just like,
And I tell
come
people,
on, let's
other
go.
people to figure out picnic like.
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, like, why not? I always want people to have kids, but my biggest fear is not being able to have a child.
Where's that? You know?
Okay. Question number 2. What do I prefer to do in my spare time?
Watch Netflix.
Go on your phone. Post on Facebook. Watch Pretty Little the Fires or whatever the hell.
It's Little Fires everywhere,
Little Fires
so don't get it
everywhere.
twisted. I don't watch Pretty Little Liars. Okay, so you both get a point. I like doing all those things.
Yeah, that's fun talk.
Okay.
I feel like you gotta have some bonuses and some bonus questions in there.
I mean, you're leading right now.
You do? Yeah, but you know.
I'm not trying to make the video too long though. Oh.
I'm just over here watching her cut the food up.
No, that food is dumb good though, like for
It
real.
really is.
No, I'm teaching upstairs, because I'm teaching me.
No, you can provide steak. Got beef too.
You know, something like the upstairs, I just want some good.
Wow.
No,
All that
that's-
for some gravy?
Yeah, I feel him.
Okay.
That's a lot of
Do
gravy,
the exchange and then I'll ask
You
the
don't want
question.
it?
That's alright.
Okay, I'll ask the question.
a
Tamrick
dumpling left in the piece of
asks,
dumpling?
what is my favorite quote or Bible verse? I just have quotes, so you could give me my favorite quote.
I'm sorry.
It's something that I say all the time. Like, okay, if somebody's going to school or whatever, like, this is how I encourage them. Like, I say it all the time. I'm pretty sure I've said it to both of you before.
No, I didn't.
I'll give you a clue. Best isn't it? I say it all the time.
I wish the best for you.
Is that a quote?
I don't know. Sorry.
Quote Jefar McPherson and caption.
I say it all the time. Okay.
I don't know.
5, 4, 3, 2,
You lost me
1.
in that one.
Okay. It's do your best and God will do the rest. I say that all the time.
What?
That's probably the first time I heard that.
I say that all the time. Like, to all my friends, to everybody. Like, I say that all the time.
For some reason, Ephesians 3 verse 16 I'm open up.
What's Ephesians 3:16?
I don't know what about under your mother and father.
Wow! No. Ephesians 3:16?
Yo, John 3:16 me I think about. Okay.
Let me Google it for you, because
No, it's John 3:16 me I think.
No, that's for God so loved the world. Let me see what Ephesians 3:16 says. Is there Ephesians 3:16?
Yes, it's for God so loved the world that he gave us.
Ephesians, Chrissy, not John.
Oh.
Ephesians 3:16 is like, and I pray that he would unveil within you the unlimited riches of his glory and favor until supernatural strength floods your innermost being, which is divine might and explosive power. And that's from the Passion Translation.
What does he mean in there? Is that like...
So that's definitely not the verse, because I don't really know that verse.
So it's not the verse because you don't know it?
Okay. It can't be my favorite verse if I don't know it. That's what I'm saying.
Alright. So pass for now and then.
Okay.
Come next one.
If I could travel anywhere in the world, where would it be? Like right now, like
Jamaica.
Where would it be? Chrissy got it. I'm kind of fat, but not really.
Everybody should come post what
Like all I post about is food. All I talk about is food.
Yo.
Like I would literally go to Jamaica right now if I could, just to eat some Jamaican food and come back.
I
Like that's all I want.
I just
That's
want
all.
some apple from Jamaica, yo. Like
Oh my
apple
goodness.
them.
Whew.
Want some East Indian mango. Some of the other one
I
you
said
wasting our grandfather.
Yeah, you know what's
backyard.
crazy comedy? I want fear, bro. It was like the dumbest shit ever. I was younger.
Wait.
She's a little curse for our children.
Forget it, bro. It was just like, bro, I couldn't eat mango for like 3 months straight.
That is sad, bro.
Why?
Like every time I go for bike, to see the picture of me, and I just like,
What picture?
Oh my gosh.
What picture? Now I'm
Yeah.
curious.
No, don't say it.
I can
eating.
tell you guys after, but you know, for right
Why
now.
you the
we
type
just
of
gonna
tell me the
sit.
stuff already? Come back and ask you.
No problem.
I don't want to hear anything gross when I'm eating.
Is it
Alright.
gross?
No, you chill.
If you're gonna eat mangoes for 3 months, that's gotta be gross.
Okay.
Okay. Patrice Levin asks, what is my favorite TV show or series? List 3 of them. 3.
Little Fires. What is it again? Damn.
Okay, so
You gotta list 3 of them.
So the Narcos. Did you watch the Blacklist? No.
I'm not gonna confirm or deny anything. You just have to list 3 of them.
So
and then
the
I'll list them.
Narcos. What's that FBI investigation show?
Criminal Minds.
Criminal Minds. That's 2 for me. You
2
rely.
for me, too, because I said it. You just copied after I said it.
You guys are cheating.
And
Stop.
Mako Mermaids. I'm gonna say that because you have completed all of those shows.
Yeah, I completed it. I don't think that is my favorite though. Like I definitely don't have that one.
Greenleaf. Greenleaf.
That's my favorite. I'm mad it's over.
What the other one?
I guess
again?
you won because I don't really. Yeah.
She really did list 3 of them though. Like she did. I like Greenleaf.
And Queen Sugar. Queen Sugar, yeah.
I love Queen Sugar. It's coming back next year.
Okay,
It's
Queen
not-
Sugar. Come on, we're tied.
Yeah, I had the blacklist on there for sure. I have Dawn on the SVU.
Oh yeah.
I'm
you
surprised
watched
none
that.
of you guys said SVU.
I
Because I watched that
know, bro.
faithfully.
No, because you don't watch it now, so you stop talking about it.
I always knew that's her favorite. If Minnie picked the blacklist, that and the other FBI agent.
Yeah, like I like FBI.
You know what I mean? I don't know.
investigation.
Like I couldn't remember. Like I knew what it was, but I just genuinely couldn't remember what it was.
Oh,
So.
that's right, though.
If DeAndre was here, DeAndre would have been like, the first thing you would have said was SVU. And was like, you're always watching that. That's my show, you know?
You want to say dumpling now?
I'll think about it.
Yeah,
Think about these.
be nice.
Oh, we can't make just a question.
Remember that, see?
Okay.
Remember that.
What is my biggest pet peeve?
Being late.
Go.
Just not being on time.
Same thing.
Y'all got it, but like not really.
You hit when you have to wait for people.
Exactly. Okay, you got it. It's not even about being late. It's just being there, and then you gotta wait on people for like 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, let's just start up more while. She left, yo, that's so, yo, they are wicked, yo. Remember one time, me and Marla, she had come over from her house to come back to my house because she was like, she wants some chicken from Jamskis. So I was like, alright. She was like, she don't want to go inside the store because I guess she look crazy or whatever. So she said, alright, when you come. So I told her, the girl inside of it for 2 minutes. And she said she outside now. So I said, alright, make sure hurry up and get ready because I never know how close she was. Till they said, two tools, I come outside, me I call her, I ask her, she then walk her in the back of the house and look for the car. Not a Marla, me not say. I call her. She said she gone at the store, they gotta get a chicken and gone home.
You see, just to show you.
Chicken. I'm in the fucking
Just to show you how long I waited.
No,
I waited.
That's why it was like 5 minutes tops.
No, just to show you how long I waited, bro. I lived 15 minutes away. I got there, she still wasn't ready. I went to the store, to the restaurant. I got the food.
And that's something you remember.
And all that stuff. She literally just said it. I got to put in everything.
I was like,
And she
no,
still wasn't ready. Then she gonna call me after all that. Like, obviously it's been a while. You still heard about the chicken?
Yo, remember that?
It's just food. It's just food.
No, the fuck, see what me get ready. I know time I got outside your girl.
Yeah, so did that teach you anything? Be on time?
No, me just
Exactly.
like a chicken. Like that.
Okay. Who is my favorite singer? You guys must know this. You can list a guy and the American
Kirk
woman.
Franklin and what's your name? What's your
I don't know how I don't know.
You have to know her. Like, oh my goodness, I talk about her all the time. Like, if I see her, I'm gonna faint. Like,
Yolanda Adams.
yes.
No, I can't.
Here it goes. Houston.
That isn't her, but
Oh, same something.
it's Be Blessed. You always singing Be Blessed. Okay. Okay, this is tricky. So, what is my favorite flavor ice cream and from where?
Rum raisin. No.
From, like, think about it. My
Alright,
favorite
rum
flavor ever, like all-time favorite, and from where? Because I like specific ice cream from different places.
Well, man, I got this one. I know you like that coconut ice cream from the farm on
Bloom Hill Farm.
Bloom Hill Farm. Yeah, I know that.
But
one.
do I like it because like what I want isn't here or it's seasonal?
Oh, from
like,
Devon's house in there.
That's close. Not gonna lie.
What flavor? Is it grape nut?
Can you give us a season? Is it Christmas?
Okay, so here's the thing. It's also one of you guys' favorite flavor ice cream, but I just like it from Devon House.
Cheesecake ice cream?
Cheesecake.
What kind of cheesecake?
Strawberry cheesecake?
I like strawberry cheesecake from Devon House in Jamaican, and I also like eggnog ice cream from Baskin Robbins. Oh my goodness, whew. I love Christmas for that reason.
Oh, I guess you got that one.
Thank you.
Like, how am I low-key supposed to know that, though?
Because I always post about
First
it.
of all, you want or I was gonna get ice cream together?
No, but she said from Devon House. Devon House, that's in
I always
Jamaica.
post
I
about
haven't.
that.
You know, it's been 8 years since so 7 years coming now. Like, when was the last time? Have we ever like actually even went there though? So I feel like that question. I mean,
Well,
kind of. No, but it's just like the place where it would be though, Jamaica, because it's like, you know what.
I kind of gave y'all some hints.
You
like-
did.
Okay.
So if I pick cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, would I have gotten the answer?
Yeah. You would have probably gotten a half.
Because that's literally my favorite ice cream. I feel like I low-key put everybody on to that. You know,
No, it was
Well, I like that from Jamaica. So.
Well, yeah, you put me up on the one from
Ben and Jerry's.
Yeah, that one's fire. But cheesecake and oh my gosh, I love cheesecake.
Okay.
I love cheesecake. I don't know how y'all don't like it.
My next question is,
No, y'all, but
how many kids do I want, and how do I want them? Like,
You want to have 3 and add up 4.
I feel like you would know that, but it's alright.
Is that
we
right?
got it. I want 7 kids, like 7 heaven. But I only want to deliver 2 or 3.
I was gonna
Listen,
say
like-
7 because I knew that's the number, but I didn't know like okay, figure it out there, but you know.
Honestly, Facebook feel like my cheating book. I know, I swear.
That's what I'm saying. Like, they're pretty open, but they're very specific. Hey, we're almost done. We're getting
Yeah,
there.
but I thought,
We're
I'll
getting
pick
there.
them. I don't most remember.
No.
I have to be auntie and baby sit, so I have to know how much I have to deal with.
7 of them. Favorite. Okay.
Whew. That's not.
Okay. Who was my favorite high school teacher? You guys should know this mainly because she's probably the only teacher I talk about and probably the only teacher I go visit and stuff.
No idea. You lost me.
Martha, Miss Yvonne,
From high school.
high school.
No idea. None.
I feel like I know who you're talking about, but I don't like remember their face, but not their name.
Man or woman, like
Woman.
where they live. Where they live. Are they here or are they in Jamaica? Like
Them they up here.
where?
No. You wasn't you talking about them the other day or something like that?
I was.
It's not Texas. It's Am I close?
You are? You're getting there?
Damn. Where was you talking about? It's not Philadelphia. Can you give me a hint?
I want to give you a point, but like I feel like
You
you
get a
should
half
be
a
able
point.
to list her.
She don't know it. Just let's go.
She knows it.
I do.
Miss Campbell.
Yes, yo. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I went to visit her in Oklahoma. I remember when I went to Oklahoma.
I might not tip on Oklahoma.
Somebody's hurt. Why she hurt though? She's leading. Jefar got 2 points. And she got 6 points. No, Jefar, I'm kind of disappointed.
These questions are kind of biased.
For a while.
These questions are kind of biased.
How are they biased?
They are, you know, but it's alright.
It's not like I called Chrissy and told Chrissy these things. Like,
No, but it's alright. It's it's alright.
you just a little bit hurt.
No.
He's like, yeah, make it go like something to know you.
no,
Okay,
I'm chill.
this is easy. Everybody should know this. What age did I graduate high school?
No.
You get one guess. You might go first. You might forgot. No, since you already got a guess.
Wasn't it?
18.
You said what year?
What age? Like, how old was I when I graduated high school?
17.
17, wasn't it? That had to have
It would
been
not make
17.
sense. It was 17.
It's 17, but who did I give the point right now?
Me.
I feel like me.
What? Okay,
because
so-
I actually came to your graduation.
Okay, so here's the breaker. Yeah, Chrissy wasn't there.
Yeah,
But here's
me
the
and Auntie
breaker.
Paula and Mummy. I came
Where
to
was
support
I?
you. You gotta give me that. Come on.
Where was I?
So like, wait, here's the breaker.
Okay,
What year did I graduate?
What year? Wasn't it Wasn't it 2011?
Okay, you get it.
Yeah. Come on, oh my gosh, my memory is not that bad.
I'm surprised you remember the year. I feel like you were guessing. Did you do the math in your head like 2020?
I was.
No, I actually just thought back to that time, you know. I was like,
Me, I think so. Only 2012 and then back one at 2011.
No, because it wasn't that long ago before we can leave for come to America.
I feel like this video was longer than I wanted to be.
I mean, hey.
Okay.
shit.
Who is my best friend?
Courtney. Patrice. Once Chrissy.
You go, Jefar.
What's your name? Ba.
Okay, you answered. I mean, you answered.
We deserve like 4 points for that.
Well, to be honest, I have Shanae on the
Courtney.
phone, which is Ba. I have Shanae, but yes.
I said one is Courtney because obviously we know that.
I'll give you both a point.
Yeah.
You're me a Scotty.
Yeah.
You're saying 1 point. You think they did not get none?
No, about me at least 3 more. So it's alright.
Oh, let's do 3 more.
No, yeah, I already give you a point. Next question.
Okay, this is an easy question. So whoever gets it first, I'm not giving it to both people. So y'all better like. Okay, what's my favorite color?
Purple.
Oh, you said it faster than I could. I felt like I picked it up before you know. Go. Hey, oh my gosh, you gotta rewind that. I wish we could rewind that. Cause I knew it's like we should both get a point cause we both.
But you never even said it. Even if you said it delayed,
It just
like
didn't
I would
come out as
understand.
fast as I wanted it to, but I knew it. That's why I picked up the cup immediately.
You
but-
knew it, but you wasn't verbal with it, so.
Okay.
Ush blood. So you go.
Okay, what is my favorite holiday?
Easter?
Christmas.
Christmas. Why you say Easter?
Tuesday.
Think about it. Christmas,
You're right.
I get way
You're
more
right.
food.
You're
Like
right.
you're getting all this food and more at Christmas.
You're right.
Easter is like
100%.
bun and cheese and fish. Like,
100%.
okay, and I think this is gonna be my last question. What is my favorite restaurant, and what do I usually get from there? I'm not talking like fast food. I'm talking places where you could actually go in and sit down.
Ruby Tuesdays on Baby Mama Cribs.
Yes. Jefar, how come you don't know that? Like, I feel like everybody knows that because that's something I talk about like all the time for real.
I guess Chrissy is just. She got it.
I'm very competitive. It's okay.
Sorry, I'm chill.
Okay, Jefar, you really got a beaten, bro. You got
Damn.
4 and she got 10.
I feel
So
like you gave her a lot of extra points, though.
how did I give her extra points?
Can I
She
read-
had the same
okay,
leniency
let
towards
me read
you.
over the questions. Let me read over the questions. Let me see what we got. Let me see something. I just want to see them.
Jefar is a loser. He got beat. He will no challenge.
We gotta do another
Observant
one, though.
individual, my
We
love.
gotta do another one.
Okay,
You're just a
maybe
sore
later.
loser. It's
Nah.
okay.
You hurt.
Yeah.
Just a little.
No,
bit.
it's alright. I just came to play. She wasn't sorry.
Okay.
I just don't like losing.
Okay. Like, yeah, we're both competitive, but like,
She don't like losing
I like
like
to beat
this.
her. This is the end of our video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment your favorite food, I guess, like from what we have here, I guess.